The Kenmore 9084 Fridge Water Filter, white, is a small but mighty guardian for your refrigerator. It acts like a tiny bouncer, standing at the door of your water line and only letting the good stuff in. This filter is designed to remove impurities, so your water tastes clean and fresh. Think of it as a silent hero, working tirelessly to ensure every sip is a pleasure. Moreover, it's an essential component for any household that values good-tasting water and ice. For example, it ensures your morning coffee brewed with filtered water tastes even better. This Kenmore 9084 Fridge Water Filter, white, truly makes a difference. It's like a fresh spring bubbling right inside your fridge. You'll notice the change immediately. The water is crisper, and the ice cubes are clearer. Furthermore, this filter helps reduce chlorine taste and odor, along with other contaminants. Therefore, your drinks will taste purer and more refreshing. It's a simple change, yet it yields significant results for your daily hydration. Ultimately, it's a wise investment for better water quality. Replacing your old filter with the Kenmore 9084 Fridge Water Filter, white, is a breeze. It's a straightforward process, almost like changing a light bulb. First, locate your old filter. Then, simply twist it out. Next, insert the new one. Finally, enjoy cleaner, better tasting water. Thus, you can maintain optimal water quality with minimal effort. This filter is compatible with many Kenmore refrigerators. Consequently, it's a popular and reliable choice. In conclusion, it's a small product that offers a big improvement to your home's water. Pros: fits great, works just great, as pictured, makes water drinkable, reliable, lasts a full 6 months, great tasting water, made in the USA, fits and works as it should. Features: reduces lead and other metals, filters chlorine taste and odor, removes certain pharmaceuticals. NSF 42, 53, and 401 certified, long life filter. 6 months. Easy twist in installation, for select Kenmore refrigerators, provides clean, fresh water, white color filter, reduces VOCs and pesticides. The Kenmore 9084 White Refrigerator Water Filter helps make your drinking water clean and fresh by reducing bad tastes and smells from chlorine. It also filters out harmful things like lead, other metals, certain medicines, VOCs, which are chemicals, and pesticides. This filter is certified by NSF standards 42, 53, and 401, meaning it meets high safety and performance requirements. It's easy to install with a simple twist, lasts for 6 months, and is designed for specific Kenmore refrigerators. The Kenmore 9084 Refrigerator Water Filter is a white filter that fits well and works great. It looks just like its picture and makes water drinkable with a great taste. This reliable filter is made in the USA, lasts a full 6 months, and fits and works as it should.